Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, that is my knowledge part, and today we have to discuss regarding parts of speech in English. Basically there are 8 parts of speech in English. Out of 8 parts of speech in English, we have studied thoroughly regarding noun and pronoun. 8 पार्ट स्पीच के अंदर अंग्रेजी में हम अच्छी तरह से नाउन एंड प्रोनाउन के बारे में स्टडी कर चुके हैं. अब वर्ब के बारे में देखना है. टुडे वी हैव टू जस्ट स्टडी रिगार्डिंग वर्ब. व्हाट इज वर्ब? दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. नाउ व्हाट आर द वर्ब्स? एज अर्लियर that definition of noun just we have studied and pronoun also, and now today we have to think regarding the verb. Verb के बारे में, what is the definition of the verb? The definition of the verb is that verb is a word in English which shows the action of a person, place and thing. क्रियापद एक ऐसा लफ्ज है अंग्रेजी में जो इंसान के बारे में, जो ऑब्जेक्ट के बारे में, या प्लेस के बारे में, या थिंग के बारे में एक्शन बताता है. उसके एक्शन के बारे में बताता है. एक्शन के बारे में कैसे बताता है? हाउ डज इट से रिगार्डिंग द एक्शन? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय वर्ब. वर्ब बोले तो क्या? वर्ब ये दूसरा तीसरा कौन सा लफ्ज नहीं है. वर्ब का मतलब होता है हिंदी में क्रियापद होता है, और वो क्या करता है? क्रिया के बारे में बताता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, विच आर द एक्शन वर्ड्स? whatever the words which are going to act as an action or which are going to show the action of a person or place or thing, those are the verbs. Which are those? For example, here, for example, become, for example, happen. What these are? These are the action words in English, and they are going to express the meaning of the verb. Here, I hear America singing. Here it is. Understand what I am doing? I hear that. What I am hearing? I hear that America singing. Understand? After that, what it is there? Become. Become, became, become. Become, hona. Understand? Happen. Happen, what it is? Happen also is going to express the meaning of verb. Happen, happened, happening. Happening is a noun. Become, becoming, become, here, become, became. Not only these words, not only these 3 words are the verbs. Uncountable are there, uncountable. Uncountable जिस तरह से जितने भी सेंटेंस के अंदर हम एक्शन वर्ड्स यूज किए जाते हैं या करते हैं, उन सभी को क्या किया जाता, क्या कहा जाता है? उनको वर्ब्स कहा जाता है. वर्ब्स, they are going to express the meaning of action of a person, place and thing. For example, what is the example? For example, she is singing. She is singing. Now, in this sentence, which is the verb? The verb is a word which is going to express the meaning of a action word, or which is going to express the, what we can say, action of a person, place and thing. अब ये see is their pronoun. Now this is a helping verb, but sing is carrying ing as a participle. Here sing is what? Sing is a verb which is going to express or showing the action of a person. She is singing. What she is doing? वो क्या कर रही है? वो गाना गा रही है. I am eating. मैं खा रहा हूं. Understand? I am eating. Eat is going to express the meaning of verb. In the same way, sing, eat, beat, clean, wash, sleep. What we can say? Beat, walk, sit, stand, beat, teach, learn, listen. What these are? These are the action words, and these action words have been declared as a verb. Apart from verb or without verb in the sentence, that sentence is not going to give a clear-cut sense of meaning. That is very important. If the sentence has to give a correct sense of meaning, definitely at that time verb is required. Without verb, we are not going to, just what we can say, we are not going to say in English the correct sentence. If you have to say the correct sentence, or if you have to speak in correct sentences, then what you have to do, action words are required. That is very important. Now just listen, what do you mean by verb? एक बार नहीं, दो बार नहीं, तीन बार नहीं, वर्ब का मतलब एक ही है, एक्शन वर्ड जितने भी होते हैं जो एक्शन करते हैं उनको क्या कहा गया है, वर्ब कहा गया है, यानी कि क्रियापद है जो क्रिया के बारे में बताते हैं. द टीचर इज टीचिंग इन द क्लासरूम. अब टीचर का काम क्या है, पढ़ाने का है. क्या कर रहा है उन्होंने, द टीचर इज टीचिंग इन द क्लासरूम. द एक्शन ऑफ टीचर इज ऑफ टीचिंग. ये टीचिंग क्या हो गया, वर्ब हो गया. What is the teaching? Teaching has become the verb. In the same way, come is there, go is there, come is there, write is there, speak is there. Understand? Speak is there, beat is there, bite is there. Understand? What are there? Write is there. Okay, write is there. Order is there. Think is there. Think is there. Understand? Teach is there. Listen is there. In the same way, what are there? Whatever the words which are going to express the action of a person, place and thing, such type of the words have been called as a verb. That is very important. And what is the definition of the verb? The definition of the verb is that verb is a word, or it is one of the parts of speech in English which shows the action of a person, place and thing. Now after writing some of the examples, definitely you will understand what do you mean by verb. Now just one sentence I am taking. For example, I hear America singing. I hear America singing. Now in the same way, the girl is repairing. Understand? The girl is repairing. In the same way, the solitary girl is cutting the grass. The solitary girl is cutting the grass. In the same way, what I mean to say that the students are what they are? The students are doing homework. The students are doing homework. In the same way, the principal is chatting. The principal is chatting with his staff. Now just try to understand how many examples that I have written over here, or whatever the sentences that I have written over here. In these sentences, what we have to find out? We have to find out that which are the verbs. In first sentence, I hear. मैं कौन सा काम कर रहा हूं? अमेरिका जो गीत गा रही है उसका काम कर रहा हूं. I hear America singing. मेरे एक्शन के बारे में ये सेंटेंस बताता. I hear. In second sentence, what is the verb? The girl is repairing. Understand? This repairing is going to express the meaning of the verb. In third sentence, the solitary girl is cutting the grass. Now cutting, what it is? Cutting is going to express the meaning of the verb which is in continuation. The solitary girl is cutting the grass, it is present continuous. The girl is repairing, it is also present continuous. But I hear America singing, it is simple present. Now, in the same way, the solitary girl is cutting the grass and the students are doing homework. Here, doing what is going to express? Doing is going to express the meaning of verb which is in continuation. That is, now if you have taken the present examples reference, then the students are doing homework. It is going to express the meaning of present continuous, and the doing is going to express the meaning of verb is in continuation. In fifth one, the principal is chatting with his staff. Principal, what it is going to do? Actually, he has to conduct the meetings. Understand? But whenever we are going to spare, whenever we are going to time at the time, principal also is a man. Understand? Yeah, sometimes he chats with the staff members. So in the same way, what is chatting here? The chatting is going to express the meaning of verb. एंडिंग को मुझे कहने का मतलब क्या है कि वह वर्ब क्या है ये मैं आपको समझाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूं. दैट टू इन अ वेरी इजी वे. I am going to make you understand what is the verb, that too in easy way. That is very important. My listeners should listen carefully and just they enjoy while attending my class. That is very important. And how? In very, very free manner. How in very, very free manner? There is no any complicated ideas that I have taken or I always, what we can say, use in my teaching. No, never. Not at all. Why? My listeners should understand carefully or my listeners should listen carefully so that they too do the copy of mine. That is very important. Now my dears, verb, what is verb? I think you might have understood. At last, what I want to say that verb is a word which going to express the meaning, which is going to show the action of a person, place and thing. And after the action of a person, place and thing, we come to know the moment of a particular thing. That has been called as a verb. So guys, in my today's video, this much is quite enough from my bench. We will come in next video along with the same topic, that is verb. Till then, take care. If you like my video, like it. Do not forget to subscribe it and share it. Thanks a lot.